Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today finally it's about the car again. The last 4 or 5 videos it wasn't really about the black new edge I own. I showed it a lot of times. So today finally a video about the car again, because I got something new. As you probably have seen in the last few videos, I have been doing some burnout. Some donuts. And today we are getting new tires. Let me show you what kind of tires we get. Here we are, here we got them. Some big boys. I have been waiting for these tires for 5 months because of the pandemic that's going on. Tyon was pretty much closed, or at least they didn't do their orders. So 2 days ago I finally got them. Here they are. We get the Proxys R33R and 315/30 R18. So yeah, that is a it's a big ass tire. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take my rear tires, my old rear tires off my car. I'm gonna put them in another car. We're gonna go to a place that I know, and they're gonna put those wheels on for me. Spot focus, what are you focusing on? I'm still learning the camera a little bit. And yeah, so they're gonna put the new wheels on my rims, and then when I get home again, I'm gonna put them on the car. Saves me some money because I have all the tools to do the job. So yeah. Let's move the car to a different place and get started. Okay, well, my car is low. So I'm gonna have to put some stuff on the rear wheels, back it up again, drive on those things. I'm gonna use, what are they called, shingles? Are they called shingles? The stuff that you put on the roof. We have like a lot left. So I'm gonna put those real quick on the rear tires, under the rear tires, and then we can actually jack up the car from the back, from the diff, and get those tires off. Okay, that should be high enough. Now I'm gonna get to unscrewing. I'm not gonna show you all this stuff because you know how to get off tires, right? Good. So yeah, I'm gonna get started and we see us back when I got the tires off. Okay guys, so here we got the tires now in the car. We are now on the way to, it's called Smoking Wrenches. This is a little shop in Rocky Mount. I hope he has an open space for me. We're gonna go over there now, get those tires switched out. He's a really nice guy, so if you live in this area and you need something done, he got you covered. Like, he's really good at his job too, and he knocks that shit out extremely fast. So yeah, we will see us once I get to the Smoking Wrenches. We are here at the, let me see if I can focus that, right there. If you need a phone number, if it would focus. It doesn't focus. Why doesn't it focus? There you go. Smoking Wrenches in Rocky Mount. Probably not gonna record in there, but let's see if he has a spot, and then we're gonna get this stuff knocked out. tires are all done. I got them back here. Like I said, this guy is freaking awesome. It took him like 20 minutes and we got both the tires put on and balanced. I had to help him out a little bit because those things are no joke to put on, but that's all right because I mean I did that stuff in Germany before I came over here for a long time, so I'm used to it. But yeah, now I'm gonna go back home. I might have to raise the car up a little bit because those things are wide as crap, so I'm probably gonna raise it up a little bit. I mean I have to do that anyway because it looks kind of weird when the front is like leveled and the rear is kind of tucked into the fender. We will see us back home once I got those tires unloaded. We are back home. Got the tires unloaded out of the car. One is already halfway on there, right here. Looking at it now, it actually looks like I might be able to leave it like it is. I'm gonna have to see. I'm gonna put those tires on and then we will see how, if I have to lower it, if I have to raise it up or not, because these tires are actually narrower than the ones I had before. The ones where I had before were like 35s. These are only 30s. But it does look ridiculous though. So yeah, let me put those tires on real quick and then we will see what happens. I think I might have to raise this up because this is literally on, well, it's not on the fender, but I don't really feel safe. So I'm gonna take those wheels back off and then we're gonna have to raise up a little bit. So pretty much what I have to do now is I have to raise this spring up, or I have to raise these up to about, I'm gonna measure this, probably I'm just gonna go up an inch and then we will see where we're at. But I think an inch sounds about right. So the way you do this is by, by unbolting the shock. I'm gonna have to get the screw out and the shock is loose. I'm gonna have to do the same thing on the other side. And then the whole rear axle comes lower and I can raise up the springs. It's a pretty easy process. Good, now we got both the shocks loose. Now I can lower the whole axle. Okay, and now we got, as you can see, the spring. The spring is now loose, so I can take the spring out. And then we have this thing. Oh, gotta cancel the focus, there you go. And now I'm just gonna measure 1 inch from this point where the spring lays on, up. And that's how far I'm gonna screw it up. So right now we are at focus. Well, at least anyway, we are at 1 3/4 right now. So I'm probably just gonna raise it up to, so it's exactly at 1. That's less than an inch, but I don't think I need that much, so I'm just gonna go to exactly 1. So we take this isolator off, very easy, and then we just spin this. Kind of sandy in here. We just spin this up until we reach the 1 with the isolator on it. There we go, perfect. We're exactly at 1. Now we're gonna use the counter, I don't know what is this called, counter screw. And we're just gonna screw that one against it. There you go, and then it can move. One more remeasure, exactly at 1. And then we're just gonna put it back in here. Put the spring on. There we go. That's it. Got one side done. And we're gonna do the other side. Also, I don't know much about it, but you can also adjust the shocks on these coilovers. Now I don't know how to do this, but I mean I know how to do it, but I don't know if I need to. So I'm gonna just leave it at like, it's almost at like half. I got half. Oops, I'm zoomed in. I got like half here and half is inside the shock. For me that works perfectly, so I'm just gonna leave it like it is. Now we're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. Good. Now that we got that done, all I gotta do is jack the car back up, screw in the shocks, and then the car is raised up a little bit. Now, gonna raise the axles all the way up, and then I'm gonna have to tighten the screws all the way. Now we are off the jack stands and the whole weight is on the axle, so this is how high it's gonna be at. And now I'm just gonna put the tire on and see if that's okay now. A lot better. I'm gonna screw this tire on. I'm gonna see how it sits on the floor. If it is too much space here now, I'm gonna have to lower it again. But it's the life of coilovers, I guess. It's the low life. Damn, that might already be a little high, huh? Well, on the other side it looks like perfect. So I'm guessing because the car is not really level, that's why one side is a little lower than the other one. But this is like perfect. This is the perfect fitment right there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like this, just so I don't have to worry about cutting into my freaking tires. But holy shit, that looks crazy. Like, that's crazy. Like the camera doesn't even show it, but holy crap. And like the fitment is perfect. It doesn't stick out. It's like flush. Hell yeah. Good. Let me roll the car off the shingles and then we will see what we look like. Yeah, I guess that's it. Fitment is on point, looks pretty good. I love how this looks now. Now the front tires, I might have to get different front tires because the ones I have now, they are like fat. I don't know why they are so fat, probably because they are like 40s, 275 40 18s. But if you compare these to these, it looks like I have the drag radials in the front, so I might need some different ones at some point. But yeah, for today, that's gonna be it. I hope you like this video, and we got big things coming in. What are you focusing on? We got big things coming in like 2-3 weeks, so be prepared for that one. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I hope you like this video, and we will see us next time. Bye bye. I don't even know if I ended the video yet. I didn't even edit it to all the way to the end yet, but I've been driving around because I'm gonna have to do a oil change as well. But I stopped at like one of my favorite picture spots right now, and yeah, look at this thing. I mean, it is crazy. Of course, if you want to see like more detailed pictures, follow my Instagram. I'm pretty much uploading almost every day recently, so I'm gonna try to keep that going. But yeah, just look how this looks. It's crazy. Definitely, I love how it just is exactly flush with the fender. The old one, the old tires, they were not flush with the fender. Now you can see how high it is too. It's all right. I probably could go a little bit lower. Let me see the other side. The car should sit level now. I mean, I'm over here on like just a regular spot away from any kind of cars or street. Yeah, we are definitely lower on the right side, which is kind of fascinating because the springs above set the same, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm probably gonna drive around a little bit, take some more pictures for my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. And yeah, like I already said, subscribe, because we're gonna have something really big coming for the car in like 3 weeks. October 26th is when it starts. The video will probably up. I'm gonna try to get it up on Halloween. That would be actually pretty sick if I get that perfectly done on Halloween. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video today. I hope you guys liked it. I'm trying to make more videos. It's kind of hard to find stuff to do on the car because I mainly forgot to do videos about all the stuff that I already did. But like, I did the front splitter. I'm gonna have to redo the side splitters at some point. And since I have to take them off anyway for whatever is gonna happen soon, that should give you a little hint. I might just redo them and we will see. So yeah, but I would say until next time, bye bye.